Today, I'm going to be making my own rechargeable bicycle light so that I can see at night. In my country, almost every form of transport is really expensive. So I ride my bicycle to go to work, to eat, and to just go about my daily life. But there's one problem. It gets pretty dark on my way home. To solve this, we'll first need an electronic board with a built-in computer like this Arduino Nano, some LEDs, resistors, a button, a breadboard, and of course some wires. Next, I'll need to program the Arduino such that when I press the button once, the LED will light up, and when I press the button again, the LED will keep blinking until I press it again to switch it off.
By the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky.
$2,000 years later.
Ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual training.
That means you're extra
Alright guys, okay, I've met a few complications, pretty major ones if you ask me. So I got the case already. Well, the printing quality is not that great. As you can see, there are like frays inside, which literally prevents it. I don't know, I think I miscalculated or something. Like it just can't fit, man. That is problem number one. Now problem number two, I think I may have damaged the board because of soldering, of the heat or something like that. Okay, so as you can see now, I detached the battery and I'm gonna connect it to my power source. Okay, as you can see, it's connected. Okay, like there's nothing wrong. As you can see, it's connected. But what's the problem? The problem is there's no light. There's no freaking light, and every connection is like correct. There is no way this is wrong, man. And even if there's no connection, the board should light up. So oh my god, so I'm pretty sure I've screwed up the board. I probably have to restart it. Oh my goodness, guys, like no joke, man. Oh. To solve the fitting problem, I made the new Arduino board to be the side panel this time so that the wires don't stick out again. This makes the whole internal components much cleaner and much more compact. Delicious. solve the previous bad quality print problem, I separated the casing to be printed into 2 parts so that the 3D printer can maintain the integrity of my designs. Thank God, it does look way better now, but the top and bottom pieces are quite uneven, so I gotta sand it down.